It's been a fine and mild Saturday for the majority of the country with lots of sunshine across South Africa, other than a band of low cloud and moisture pushing in over the far eastern part of the country, with that cloudy weather keeping daytime highs at bay, resulting in a cloudy and cold day over parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Now, we're still expecting some of that cloud as we head into Sunday, but it's quite an interesting weather day with thundershowers forming along the west coast, as well as a band extending from the northwest all the way through to the coast, and that's due to a surface level trough and an upper level feature driving that thunderstorm activity. Here's a look at your weather forecast across South Africa on Sunday, with warm daytime highs as they head into the mid-20s for Richards Bay, Ulundi, Newcastle and Ladysmith, with thundershowers reaching Port Shepstone with a high of 23 degrees. We're expecting most of the thunderstorm activity over the eastern part of the Eastern Cape, with Umtata, Bishu and East London all topping 22 degrees, with those thundershowers extending through to Graaff-Reinet at -4 and 20. Port Elizabeth, though, remains partly cloudy and dry at 24. We're also expecting a bit of cloud from Beaufort West through to the coast, with daytime highs of around 20 degrees. Hermanus and Cape Town both top 18, with the possibility of evening rain for Cape Town and Langebaan, and Robertson tops 20 degrees on Sunday afternoon. We're forecasting thundershowers mainly along the west coast, Springbok remaining cold with a high of only 11. Then we head into a bit of a dry slot over the Northern Cape, Uppington at 23 degrees. Now, Kimberley still remains dry with a high of 22. However, we can expect thundershowers for the Free State, Bloemfontein and Bethlehem, both with a high of 20. A few thundershowers are forecast for the northwest on Sunday afternoon. Maximum temperatures will peak in the low 20s here, with Zeerust topping 23 and Rustenburg at 21. Here's where we can still expect some of that moisture for Limpopo, with a partly cloudy and mild Sunday in store. 25 for Skukuza with a partly cloudy and dry day forecast. eMkhuhluwe at 20 and a cool Sunday for Ermelo at 17 degrees. Johannesburg tops 18 with isolated thundershowers expected for Gauteng, and Soweto and Vereniging both at 19. A light to moderate offshore northerly wind is forecast along the south coast, with a strong northwesterly wind for Cape Town, and we're also expecting strong winds over the central and western interior. Now, as we head into the start of the work week, a cold front brings in cloudy, wet and cold weather for Cape Town. The rest of South Africa remains dry with warm conditions over the far eastern parts, and then on Tuesday that frontal system brings that cloudy, wet and cold weather in over the western and southern part of South Africa.
News that moves. eNCA.com.